Whoop, 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 whoop. Hey, y'all. What's happening? We are in week 4. So, welcome everybody to the Get Snatched week 4 video where I can give you my updates and offer any help or any encouragement or anything. How y'all doing? Some of y'all need to come on in this Facebook group and leave some comments. Let me know how you doing, how things are going. For me, wonderful. Now I'm a little busted again this week. I didn't feel like putting no makeup on or nothing. So anyway, and these glasses, I gotta figure out how to keep them from reflecting this screen so you can see, or so I can see. But anyway, just to let you know, this week 4, I really concentrated on my exercise because that was kind of touch and go the past few weeks. Even though I lost some weight, and I'm not, like I told y'all, I'm not gonna weigh myself until beginning of October. So that's not that far away. So I better get with it to make sure I ain't gained nothing and lost it and found it like I always do. But anyway, I am feeling so much better. My energy level is up where I dedicated myself to doing 2,000 steps a day. Now, I know that's not a whole lot for people. Really, it's a little more than that. So basically a mile a day. That's basically what I got to. And that is what I'm doing come hell or high water all of last week, Monday through Friday. Even Saturday, I usually kick back on Sunday. So I was like just a little shy of it on Sunday, but that's okay because that's my rest day. But Monday through Saturday, girlfriend, hit those goals. And if y'all got a Fitbit, if you want to start challenging each other and getting together and so we can keep up with each other on Fitbit with our steps, let me know, let a sister know. But I stayed on it, I did it, and then I also each one of those days made sure I stuck to my fitness plan. So my plan is Monday, Wednesday, Friday I do cardio. So I, in addition to the walking the steps or doing something to make sure I get the steps, I did like a seated Zumba class that I have included in our Get Snatched video workouts. I also did, I think I did that twice, and then I did an African dance routine that, man, kicked my behind too. So I did those 3 days. I'm proud of myself. I did them. And then Tuesday, Thursday, I did Tuesday, I did resistance training for arms and upper body. Your back, your arms, all that. Thursday, I did all lower. So I did, I have 2 sets of bands I do for that. I got the thicker band that goes straight around your thighs that you work out, and then I still use the resistance bands to pull and do some leg lifts. So I really my quads got a little sore, and but I made sure they got worked out. My calves got worked out. My hamstrings got worked out. All of that, and it don't look like it, but trust me, I've dated personal trainers and I've been in the gym long enough to know what you need to do, how you need to do it, what's how to do it. And that's why I'm telling y'all to do this, to do both, because one without the other you won't get the same results. Okay, when you do the cardio, great, but your body will get used to cardio. Okay, and you will have to keep going harder and harder and harder. That's why you should have a light day, a medium day, a heavy day. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's say Mondays, we hate Mondays. Mondays could be your light day. Wednesday could be medium. Friday could be a little more intense. Then by doing that in conjunction with the resistance training, because I'm not going back to the gym, I don't feel comfortable getting back in there yet. I have all the resistance stuff that I need. So I can do, and I put in the workouts so you can work out on your obliques, you can work your biceps, triceps, all that, as well as lower body, that butt, those thighs, all of that. And trust me, when you work both of them together, that's when you're going to get the most results, because the weight training is going to keep your body burning well past when you're done with the workout, and then throwing in some cardio there is going to get your heart rate up. That's another good thing about this Fitbit, is where it can track when your heart rate has reached at a point where you're really burning fat, so you can watch that, so you're not doing too much. I can't stand to see people at the gym. I used to see them like running, doing all this, diminishing returns. That doesn't do anything. If you get your heart rate up to a point you got to stop 2 seconds after you started, that's not doing anything. And then you're just, like I said, getting your body to the point where it's going to need more and more and more and more to challenge itself to be effective. So I'm telling you, light, medium, heavy day is the best way for you to do your cardio. So you're always switching it up, so your body doesn't know what it's going to do, and it's not going to get used to something where you have to almost kill yourself to get any results or to see anything. That's when I see all these people doing this stuff. That's crazy. So basically, I am so proud of myself, and I'm using my journal. I don't know what y'all doing, but I am writing down everything that I've been eating. I have truly been following the Eat This Much app that I told you guys about, and like I said, look in the links below to go check it out. I joined, and it is so convenient to have nice recipes where you can switch it up the way you want. And then the fact that if you set what day is your grocery shopping day, which mine is all delivered, it is even connected to Amazon Fresh. Like, so if you shop Amazon Fresh for your groceries, the grocery list can be there to get you ready for that next week, so you'll have everything. So how convenient is that? You just can't get any simpler. Now we can use this technology for what we need to help us to stay on top of our game, so you can get all your food. You ain't got to walk around and shop. Everything is there for you. You will have everything that you need to make the recipes that you've selected for the week, and you can keep it going. So I don't know how easier. This is the easiest that I've ever done in terms of really sticking to a plan. And this is a month out now, and really doing it because I actually prepared. And that is what is key, I think, to being successful this time around, is not leaving stuff to chance or being starving to the point where you don't have nothing around, so you gotta go to get some fast food or whatever. You can stop all that, because like I told y'all, because I worked on the intermittent fasting and I've really gotten it down pat, because of the hours that I keep. I stay up all night, I sleep a little bit during the day. My eating window is from 6 a.m. to noon. Okay, and I stick to that. I automatically now I'm starting to get hungry at 6 o'clock in the morning. I eat whatever, do whatever in a couple hours. Usually I'll eat maybe 8, and then I'll eat again by noon, and then that's it. Okay, and I'm good. Then I go to sleep about 5 o'clock. I sleep from about 5 until midnight. So I've been messing up with the sleep a little bit, staying up later, still getting up really early, and I can kind of tell I'm getting a little dark around the eyes, so I gotta catch up on that. I've been messing my sleep up, but I'm really sticking to though this eating plan and my hours. So I'm doing a 18-6 intermittent fast intervals, and it is working for me. I felt that loss. I feel like it's still gone, and so now it's getting in the home stretch of me really making it a habit and sticking to it. So this week I am once again going to really make sure I do my steps, do my exercise. I might bump it up a little bit, but I think this week what I'm going to really concentrate on is getting some supplements. I need a probiotic. I already know because I don't drink soda much anymore. All that blow, I can feel that's gone. That's a lot of what was going on, and I'm gonna get me a probiotic to make sure, because you all have heard all the stuff about your gut health, and you got to get the skinny people gut little bacteria in there to eat up the stuff and get it out your system, so you feel better. So that is what I think I'm gonna try to get mailed to me, and I guess it'll be for next week, for week 6, I guess, getting ready for that. But now we're in week 5. Things are going well. Please let me know how you're feeling and what's going on, and if I can be of any help. But so far I'm feeling great, and as y'all see, I'm as hyper and motivated as I normally am. So I am not, because I had started acting kind of like I was these 60 years. Just can't hardly make it. Oh, hell no, that is not me. Now all I got to do is give me a little young man, to get me a little energy, and I will be fine. So you all have a great week. I hope everything is going well for you. I hope you're following the plan you set up for yourself. I hope you're using the journal. Make sure you look at all these links that are going to be in this video so you can get whatever you need. I've already set up everything, so it's all there. It's just up to you. And if you want me to talk about something in terms of motivation, or in terms of how you're having a problem sticking to the plan that you prepared, let me know, and that's what I'll start adding to these videos. Okay, so I hope all is well, and I will see y'all next week, so after we finish week 5. All right, take care.